The sneaker video, 2021 release, the Flint Gray Jordan 7s. Now I do have one other pair of 7s. I got the infrareds. I got the Cardinals coming in. I also have the chambrays coming in. I got a few other colors. I want to get the citruses and so on. I'm starting to go back to the older retros a bit more. You know, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, the 2s. I've got a bunch of 1s already. So I love the way these look. The suede gray, the light hits of purple, the white tumbled leather. They just look great. I've seen them in person before, so I was like, what the hell? Let's get a pair. Let's bust them open and check them out. Here we go. My. Is that a clean look? Very clean. I love gray. Love the aesthetic of this. Purple hit with the Jumpman. Purple on the 23. We got a lot of what looks like more of a wolf gray. What's the color? Well, it's Flint gray technically. Yeah. They're called the Flint grays. So this is a Flint gray look. Nice hits of court purple and black. We have a tumbled texturing to the white leather overlay panels. Man, it's beautiful. It's more of a Durabuck. Yeah, that's a Durabuck, not a suede. Not fuzzy at all like suede, but look at that outsole. Man, it's good looking. I prefer the ones without the translucent outsole. Don't have to worry about them yellowing and turning over time. But man, these look really, really good. Such a classic kick, you know? Pull these out. Has the collar going on. Jumpman on the insole. I have a feeling it's going to be Dream Cell. It is cheaper than that. Wow. This is cheap crap junk. Not even Dream Cell. They cheapened out with some basic BS foam. Yeah, that's a junky insole. So, I believe these are full-length Air as well. Polyurethane midsole actually has some resilience to it. It's feels a little bouncy when I squeeze it. But yeah, that's a trash insole right there. I mean, you can change it for anything, but I don't need orthotics and special art support or anything. So that's kind of disappointing because I just kind of rock with what they come with, and you have the neoprene inner booty. Like, these are very comfortable to wear on feet. Like I said, I have the infrareds. I don't remember if they have that same crap insole or not. They might. I'd have to take a look and see. Then we have the metal eyelets on the tips, the metal eye tips on the laces. So without further ado, let's just go try these on and get them on feet.